right, so I am recording with something new, a screen recorder called ScreenPal. Let me see if I can click on it. Yeah, ScreenPal. It's like the fifth one I've used tonight. Okay, this is a 15-minute limit. We'll see if this works. Today I'm going to show you how I did my YouTube intro using Canva. So it's really simple. You need an account on Canva. It is free, but they do have upgrades that are available for more designs if you want. Up on the top right screen, I don't know if you can see the the cursor on this one. As the last one I used didn't show. If on the top right screen, the purple button, create a design, click on that, and then you're going to type in YouTube intro. Click on that. That's going to open up into a new page. And on the left here in the black pane, you're going to see YouTube video intros, which are all templates. The yellow crown that says Pro means you need to upgrade your account in order to use those. The ones that don't have it are free. So if you hover and you see those little free ones, that's what I used right here. Live music. There are 8 pages. You don't need all 8 pages. I'm not sure how to even do, I'm not even sure how that works. I don't know if you can do it like that. I guess you could. And then I'm just going to put like a couple of pages because it's 15 minutes. You don't really need more than that. And this one, this picture right here, I like to keep at the end because you know how like at the end of a movie when TV is done, that's what you get. So this is pretty long to me and these are pretty short. So I like to keep this short, and all you got to do is grab the end on the end of that, and then you just move it in, make it shorter. And then this is also pretty long, this first one, so I'm going to do the same thing and make it really short. Okay, and listen to the music and see if you like it. You can always change the music. Oh, there's no music because I probably screwed up over here on the screen recorder when I set it up. Yeah, I probably did. It's okay. It doesn't even matter because there's music that you can hear on it, so it doesn't matter. You can always change the music, so we're not going to worry about that. Right now we're going to worry about this. You click on this first part here, and whatever it is that you need to change, all you have to do is click on it. So if you don't like this top part that says Drew Feet Presents, just click on that. Hit delete on your keyboard. Click on this, the live music part, and move it where you want it. You could change the font to, well, let's change it to there. And then let's change it, the size here of the font right next to that. You see a minus. You can make it smaller this way. Make it bigger with the plus. Or you can highlight it and then add a number, which is 100, which is what I like. And then just move it here. If you don't like the color, go up to where the color is. Change it to whatever. And then put the words that you want. So let's put welcome. Okay. If you want this to move, the welcome to move, you just click on that. And then on the top, you'll see effects and roll. Roll is animate. And then on the left white pane, you're going to see different little options. You'll see basic, which are these. You just hover over it and it shows you. You can see the writing one or whatever. So I'm going to do, let's just do that one. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add something else to it. Let me get rid of the dates. Let me just get rid of that too. And if it looks kind of plain, it does, right? You want to add something to it. Let's add elements. So you go on the left, black pane on the left here, on the top, elements, click on that. And then you have your choice of, entering something animated or whatever. So let's just put, I don't know, let's put a dog. And we'll put graphics. And see, oh, that's cute. It almost looks like Coco. Look at that. This one really looks like Coco, but it's, so let's just put that one in there. She's watching TV. Okay, we'll put it there. And then you can put a cat. So put a dog and a cat watching TV. Why not? We got to put a free one though. So let me see. This one's cute. So we'll make it smaller. We're going to just put it there. I'm just showing you the options. Now, if you want to move them, you can. you know, but this is moving enough, so I don't want to add too much. And so you go to the next window, next square, and you do the same. You click on this. If you want to change the size or the color, you just change on the color, change the size, you know, make it 100. Like I said, I like 100. And you could put Route 99 or whatever. And then get rid of that. Let's put a running man here. There we go. Make it small. It's running down a road. It's funny. And if you want this to move, you can, like I said, or I think he's moving enough. We don't need to put anything else moving. Can't even make it a race. So if you want to make more than one, you just got to right click on it and then duplicate, and then you get 2. Duplicate, right click, duplicate again, you get 3. It can be like a race. Say, kind of hitting each other, but whatever. So it's kind of cool. And let's see, let's add a sun. Okay, let's add a sun. I wonder if they have like an animated sun. Animated sun. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, we're gonna make it small, put it up here. Well, I'll make it smaller because we don't want it to be the same size as that. Put some crows because they're running in the desert, seems like. So let's see animated crows. I'm just curious. Nope, they don't have any animated crows. Okay. Oh, that's Canva. See, that's a pro. He's pretty. Nope. See how it says remove watermarks right there? Okay, it's not free. So let's just put crows. Let's see if they have any free things. There we go. Now he's totally free, of course. I'm going to put him on the sign. And I'm going to put that down here. He's waiting for them to tire out so that he can go eat them. or a vulture, actually. All right, so then the next one you go and you do the same thing. Let's have some fun with this one. Make it 100. Make it green. And say, shoot. All right, let's just do that and just put Rex is hungry. And let's add a cookie. And let's put it next to his mouth. And then let's make it look like he's trying to eat it, but he can't reach it. So we're going to go into the animated part and see if it'll come down. Yeah, that's good. See, it's funny, right? And then that's it. And then this will be the end. So we're just gonna make this really short because, you know, we don't want to waste the 15 minutes. And that's really basically all you have to do. I mean, if you wanted to add anything more to this page, it looks kind of boring. Just go into elements. You could add text. You know, they have different types of text here, which is nice, like sparkle. It's pretty. You have just different kinds of, see, all these fonts that you have. A lot of them are free, and I find that the free ones are just as good, and I don't need anything else. And so let me see what else I used. What else did I use here? Oh, I used that. Yeah. Let me make that smaller. Okay. Isn't that cool? So you could make it like, there you go. I like that. Let's leave it like that, okay? And then when it's done, you go to the top right, click share, go to download, and then let's see, download again, purple. And just wait for it to download. And as soon as that downloads, the MP4 video is going to be ready. And all you have to do is just find it on your PC. Just put in, you know, download or whatever, look in your downloads. And then this will be the intro of the, you know, the beginning of the video that you want to do with whatever content you're going to use for your YouTube channel. So this will be the front part. And if you want to do, you know, add an end to it, that's when you need a video editing program, and I use Clipchamp, so I will show you how to do that in another show. But for now, I think this is pretty good and it's enough. Let's see how much time I have left on this. Does it show me? Oh, it doesn't show me. Oh no, I see something going on there. Please. I hope it's still recording because I don't see it anywhere, which is something I'm not crazy about. Oh, there it is. 10:56, 10:56, 11 minutes. Is that right? Did I go over? Oh, 11 minutes. Okay, because Bandicamp only gave me 10 minutes. All right, so this is done. And let's see. Let's just see it from the beginning. Too bad that the music's not on here. I guess I must have screwed up and didn't do the audio, but it doesn't matter. It's got the movie, so. And there it is. I mean, it's short, right? If you wanted to make it longer, you can make it longer, obviously. See? Looks pretty good. And then that's it. Simple enough. Okay. And you can also change your audio and do whatever audio you need. That would be the editing program on the Clipchamp or whatever else you have. So there it is. I hope that that helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And I will talk to you soon. Love you. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao.